Okay.
If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? Love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? Love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
What is up, guys, and welcome to Making Moves with Mikey. I am Mikey Messina, and today we don't have a podcast because I am going to be doing an unboxing video and maybe like a little intro review to it. I bought a new helmet and it just came in yesterday. Super stoked about it. I wrecked my old helmet in my accident back in February. No way I'm going to put that thing on my head. So I was on the journey to finding a new helmet. There's one that I've been looking at for such a long time. It's called the POC Omne Air Spin helmet. This is it right here. Comes in this nice, just white, simple box. Very clean. I got the Moonstone gray matte color in a size medium. That's a 54 to 59. Just have that focusing right there a little bit. It's just super clean. Very nice packaging here. All right. Woo! Sheesh, look at that. So, in the box, what do you get? You get your helmet, obviously. Oh, and you get a bag. Looks like I got this white bag here. I don't know why it's white, because the thing's going to be matte gray, just like my helmet, after I use it. Nice, because it has this little patch of the POC here. Anyways, the helmet, let's talk about that, because this is what you guys are here for. I'm going to do a real quick 360 of this. Just from the front and looking at it, it's very sleek and very slim. I like riding with small, slim, sleek helmets because I don't like a big mushroom head when I'm on my bike. No offense to the people that have mushroom helmets. This is a very nice form-fitting helmet, which caught my attention when I was on Amazon. By the way, this is going for about $149. I'll link to the description below. And right here off the front, you notice that there's two vents here, which is perfect for shades. I was looking at a lot of other reviews and pictures of people just sliding their shades into there. And then I'm just going to do a real quick 360 here. If you notice, it's very subtle POC hits of their logo. And then you get back here, and then you have a POC hit that goes down the black stripping here. And then you just keep going around and you notice that there's another hit of a POC right there. And then you get to the front. So overall, a very light helmet. I'll look up the grams for everybody who's very into the aerodynamics of their helmet. Realistically, I just got this because I want a slim head when I'm biking. Something that isn't going to be rocking my head back and forth super hard or anything like that. So let's put this on. Okay, so fits snug, but a good snug, like right when you get it on. Okay, let's strap this in. Wow. Okay. Right out of the box, this thing feels good. I don't really have to do much adjusting. I mean, you do have the adjuster in the back, which allows you to make it larger or smaller depending on the circumference of your head. But right out of the box, I'm impressed. You know, you guys tell me. I mean, here, let me do a real quick side to side so you guys can check out this helmet here. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, from just first looks and experience having it on, it feels good. It reminds me of my last helmet where it was just very snug. I like the fitting here, and it's not pulling so much on my ear flaps. I saw there were a lot of comments on Amazon where it would ride up people's ears or anything like that. This fits perfect with me. I got my cycling cap on because this is typically what I'm wearing under my helmet every time I go biking, so that way I can just catch that sweat. It also gives you guys a visual of what it is here. For those of you that don't wear cycling caps, you go and take this off, and let me throw this on for you. This is what it would look like without the cycling cap. Just like that. We have that on there. I gotta tell you guys, I'm a fan. I like the fitting of the helmet. It feels very smooth. Let's just practice real quick if I'm on it. Nah, it's fine. Yeah, no, I love the helmet, guys. Again, I'll link to the description below on where you can find this. When I purchased this, it said that it was going to take about a week and a half in order for me to get it. But POC actually sent it in a matter of a couple of days. I'm pretty sure it's dependent on the type of color that you get. For myself specifically, this matches my Fuji Transonic 2.1 2021 bike, which is like a cement matte gray color as well. So I like how I'm going to be matching there. But they have a various amount of colors when it comes to the Air Spin model. There's also other models that they have on there which has a different pattern for the air vents. This one was just a bit more appealing to me. I like how slim it looked from seeing it. I can't wait to do another follow-up review to tell you guys how it is, and I can get back on that bike so I can really give you guys that in-person review and feel of how this helmet did me justice. I'm big on reviews. I do a lot of reviews before I purchase something, before I eat at a restaurant with my wife. I always read reviews up. I want to start doing videos to hopefully give you guys some tips before you purchase this thing, or maybe you guys just want to chime in and go into the comments below on how you guys like this helmet and how you guys feel about this, or any other reviews you guys want to see in the future. This is Making Moves and Mikey. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.